Hey people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove or reduce or vanish all of your belly fat and reduce your weight, yeah, using few ingredients. And these ingredients are actually very simple, okay? If you have any difficulties in getting it, you can actually order it online and you're going to get it, okay? So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share the video. And while I walk you into this video. Okay guys, so this is moringa leaf, and we're gonna be needing moringa leaf for this remedy, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay, so moringa leaf is perfect for the body. It helps so much for belly fat. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be plugging out the moringa leaf into this water, yeah. Alright guys, so now you would have to be washing your moringa leaf very well. Okay, for you to get this moringa, you can order it online. You're going to be getting the dry moringa, which is actually still very okay for this remedy, okay? But if if you're not in Africa, you can get it in an African store, most definitely. But I'm sure you're going to be getting the dry moringa, okay? If you still get the dry moringa, it is still okay, yeah. So now we would have to be putting it into a bowl. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is saint leaf, okay? Now saint leaf is actually one great ingredient for belly fat. Have you actually tried saint leaf before? If you've not tried it before, try this out. It's perfect so much in removing and reducing your belly fat, okay? And it's going to help you so much to whoop out all of those belly fats, yeah. And it generally reduces your weight. It's actually a spice which is used for cooking pepper soup, so it's healthy for consumption. Okay, so we're gonna be plugging this saint leaf into this bowl, and then after that you're gonna be washing it. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy for belly fat. It actually helps in cleaning your colon. It actually helps in cleaning your colon, and it also helps to remove excessive weight. So what you're going to do is that you're going to shake this apple cider vinegar really well, yeah. And you have to use organic apple cider vinegar, raw, unfiltered, and the one that contains the mother in it, yeah. Basically that's what is going to be good. And you're going to be putting about 2 cups of this apple cider vinegar into this, okay. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is green tea. Green tea is powerful in removing belly fat. in getting rid of excessive weight. So what you're gonna do is remove the green tea and you definitely cook it. Yeah, so we're going to be putting the green tea into this pot, and then the last ingredient, which is very perfect and normal, and it's actually going to help to complement and make this drink really really powerful, is cinnamon. Now cinnamon is a spice also, and it's actually perfect for the body. It helps to remove belly fat, and it also helps to keep your body really clean, healthy, and it cleans out your colon. So what you're going to do is that you're going to be taking just a little bit of this cinnamon, just a little, and then you put it, and since it is a spice, it is perfect. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to be getting water, and then I'm going to be putting water into this. Yeah, you have to put enough water so that you can actually store it. Okay, enough water so you can store. So that's why I would have to put another water in this, and this is perfect. Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting in light to this fire, yeah, so that it could cook very well. So I'm going to be using the bigger burner to do this. I'm going to allow it cook for a little while, and I'll be right back. Okay, alright, so it's been boiling, and you're going to leave it to boil for about 5 minutes, and it has actually been boiling for about 4 minutes. So it's 1 minute left, and this is perfect. So the water is actually going to change, and this is how the water should be. Okay, the green tea infused or induced into this water also helps to change the color of the tea, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna be needing to use a cup, so after this has been, I just off the fire to this, and I'm going to be letting it cool just a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that we're going to be sieving out the juice of this into the cup. And look at the color. Look at the color of this asu. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to be needing to drink it in the morning and in the evening. Not only would it help you to remove or reduce all of your belly fat, it's also going to help you so much to cleanse your body system. It's going to help for the skin, because moringa is actually very important. When you drink it inside, it reflects from the outside. You can see it's actually still very hot, so I'm actually going to be keeping it to cool for a little while, and we're going to be drinking it. I've actually drank this particular one before, and it tastes really good. Okay, so let me just have a take of it, but I'll keep it for it to cool a little bit. I'll be back. So it has actually cooled a little, and let me have a taste. All right, this is actually very okay. It's actually it does not taste sweet. It tastes, there's a little bit of the scent leaf. Scent leaf is actually very powerful when it comes to scent. Okay, you can see it's still warm, so you have to drink this warm, like let it be very very warm, like it is burning your mouth down to your belly, okay? And that's how it's just going to help to remove or reduce all of your belly fat, okay? And it's also going to help to reduce your weight generally, okay? So drink this morning and evening. Reduce the intake of your carbohydrates and reduce the intake of fatty food and soda, and you're going to be seeing a great result. The result is going to be very visible and you're going to be loving it, okay? So this is perfect. Drink it and you're going to be loving it. So morning and evening, morning and evening, and you're going to see a whole lot of improvement. In 2 weeks, come back to let me know how it is. So that's it, guys. It is actually very tasty and it doesn't taste bad at all, and you are going to be loving it, okay? And it's actually also good for breastfeeding mom just like me, and and it helps so much to reduce your weight also, okay? So if you're not aiming to reduce weight, you have to take this at least once in a week. But if you're aiming to reduce your weight and belly fat at the same time, you have to take it as often as you can. Yeah, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. And I will see you soon in my next video, and stay flawlessly beautiful, and bye guys. Mwah.